morning. How are you doing? We are going on a trip. We are back again, Chaley. So I am going on a trip together with two YouTubers, for I'm going to be meeting them for the first time. And today I decided to pack with you. This is my backpack I'm going to be using. We're going to spend just a day or two. So as you can see, I don't have much. But of course, since I'm packing with you, let's see what's going inside my bag. I have here my backpack, which I've had for some time now, and a fanny pack, which I would keep my money and my few things I will need handy, so I don't have to go into this bag. So I'm going to start with the shoes. Since I'm not wearing shoes, we are going by public transport, so I would want to wear slippers to be very comfortable. So I'm going to start with the shoes. Then next is clothes, more clothes. I have here just shorts, my nightwear, some extra clothes, which is going to go in first. Since my things are not a lot, I'll just be packing them inside. Cause then I have here face towel, which I'll use one for my face, one for my body, because I don't want to carry a very big towel. And I have here a bag, a mini bag, which I'll use to carry my things if I leave my backpack in the hotel. So this is it. I have here two bikinis because a girl doesn't know which of them she would want to use. When I get there and I feel like I need something more colorful, I go for the orange. If I need something more calm, then I can go for the white. So I carry two bikinis. I have here my hiking clothes. I took two just in case I don't feel like wearing this. I can wear this for another day. So two hiking clothes, because where we are going is going to require seeing a waterfall and hiking. So guys, hit me in the comment section. Where do you think I am going with two ladies? Let me know in the comment section. Before we get there, let me know in the comment section. So yeah, I have here my stuff. One thing I like about this backpack is the fact that you can carry as many clothes as possible. You just have to keep pushing them. When you fold them well, you can use this bag for a week. Like things that it's going to serve you for a week can enter this bag. That's one thing I like about this bag. It's time for my toiletries. Inside my toiletry bag is deodorant, body cream, hair cream, girly things, toothbrush, Pepsodent, perfume, sponge. This is the African sponge. This is the kind of sponge you use. If you haven't seen this sponge before, it's very common in Africa. We use this and it's been very fine over the years. So we don't really use foam. This is what we use. I'm sure some of you that are not used to the African style is going to come for me, but yeah, this is the typical African sponge. I have here my coconut oil, which I poured because the container is so big. These are some few things I got from the hotel I was staying before, like the conditioner, which I'll use for my hair just in case I wet my hair. Then sewing kit. This is very easy. Like the one I have, I always have to put it into something, but this is like easy to carry. So yeah, I'm taking this, which I got from a hotel when I was in South Africa. Then the shoe mitt, just to clean my shoes if it's dirty. So that's it inside my little, and soap, bathing soap. So this is what is inside my toiletry bag. And the reason why I kept them all in a bag is I don't want a situation where I would be struggling to look for a particular thing. So everything goes into this bag, the bag. Then of course my panties. That's my panties. Then we are currently in the rainy season. The rain started last month, June, so we are currently in the rainy season, so it's very advisable to carry umbrella. I got this umbrella at a friend's engagement. So yeah, talk about being a travel content creator. Of course I have to pack my my filming gears. Number one is my power bank. I always don't forget my power bank, because in case I find myself in a place where there's no light, at least I can charge my phone. Even if my camera is off, at least my phone should be on always. One thing I always don't forget is a fully charged power bank. I have here my bandage just in case I get hurt. Since I'm going hiking, I have this. Oh, I forgot to take my medication, so I'm going to take painkillers and then deep spray just in case I get hurt or anyone gets hurt. So this is my this can go in on the side. I'm going to pack my drone. This is my drone. This is the drone I use. It's a mini drone. So yeah, In case you are wondering if it's the same drone that crashed in South Africa, yes, it's the same drone that crashed in South Africa. I got it repaired. I have here my chargers, which I'm going to keep in my bag and keep the head in my backpack. GoPro batteries, which I'm using now. These are my GoPro batteries. Remember I told you it's a rainy season, so this is for my phone case, just like waterproof phone case, just in case it's raining and I still want to use my phone. I mean, I can use this, so I carry this just in case. I don't want to be surprised by the rain because this weather. And I have here more chargers, and of course the most important thing, this thing came very handy when I went to SA, because SA's socket is different from our socket. Ours is the three pin, but they use a different kind of pin. Even in Cote d'Ivoire, Cote d'Ivoire's style is very different. It's a round, which is not very common. Something very handy. I got this from banana at Accra Mall, so yeah, you can get yours. So yeah, and of course my AirPods. And I carried, for safety, I carried knife, and it has everything, scissors, everything, and a torchlight because maybe I don't know where I'll find myself in the evening. So this will go into my handbag. I'm going hiking, I'm carrying my water bottle. I would get water, I'll fill it with water. Then of course I have to carry my purse and money, which I always say that anytime you're traveling, you're going to spread your money across. So I have budgeted 500 cedis for this trip. And one thing you should also know is, in Ghana, there are some places that you have to carry cash, because imagine finding yourself in like the remote of places and you think your card will work. Please just carry cash. So I'm going to spread my cash all over. One is going to be somewhere, one is going to be somewhere, just in case something doesn't go right. At least I won't find myself that stranded. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do with my cash. The last thing is to carry my shades. Should I go in for this or I hope you enjoyed this short pack with me, and yeah, so I'm ready for the trip. Let's go. Meet my friends. Hi. So you see, girls and timing, they are always late. I told them to meet me at the station at 9, and guess what? It's 10:25. Sorry, guys, let's go. Yeah. So we are going to catch the bus. Traffic. No, that's no excuse. I am sorry. So we are currently at the Madina station to pick a Hohoi bus. Another option to get a bus to Hohoi is Accra main station, and the closest was Madina. This cost us 72 Ghana cedis each. Stop at this place where you can go pee at the back here and then buy hot oven bread. Is a very popular bread here around. I think around Koforidra and all that.
Oh my god, this journey has just been so stressful. No place to rest my head. But it's been fun. I've been enjoying seeing a lot of things. A lot of mango trees.
And then and then the landscapes. We saw a lot of landscapes.
It's so beautiful. Like I was feeling those mango plantations. Like I wanted to sleep, but I'm like, it's so beautiful. Don't sleep, just look around you.
So I haven't really used this route before. Anytime I go towards the Volta region, I use the other side from Tema.
Yes. Route
yes.
That you went
but this route they use through Dodowa, which I think is not bad at all. So we are currently at Timpopo. We are going to cross the Adome Bridge. I mean, I know you all have seen it several times, but if you haven't, you get to see it again. So I got myself soap detective. So we're currently at Hohoi station and it's raining. It's been raining for some time. And so we're going to get another vehicle. We are just about 15 minutes to the waterfall, so we're going to get another car. Yeah. We got a loading taxi from Hohoi station to our hotel, which is close to Buli Waterfalls. All we needed to do was to just ask the people around. One thing about Ghana is everybody is willing to help, so you don't have a problem when it comes to directions. So we paid 15 Ghana cedis each for the taxi. One other gentleman joined us, and the taxi driver was such a cool man. It's easy to get a loading taxi once you're out of the city. So guys, I'm having a discussion with the taxi driver. He says Buli Waterfalls is still part of Volta region.
Of course.
It's not OT.
No.
So which part is like the OT?
Yes. So from Likpe going to the other side is for OT. It's part of OT, but then from Blake down to Fodome to Hohoi is part of Volta region.
Wow. So I thought I was going to OT region. I'm sure you all know by now. But then it happens we are still in the Volta region. So we are finally here at the Buli. It's very close to Buli Waterfalls, and this is where I'm going to be spending. In fact, we are going to be spending a night. So let's see how the place. So this is going to be our room for the night, and it comes with a double bed, and I asked for an extra bed, so I think this is where I'm going to sleep. So this is how it looks like. Let's see the bathroom, and yeah, such a simple place. Oh, the bathroom is really spacious. This is how it looks like. This is gonna be our night. Our room for the night.
Yeah,
so
you can.
yeah, I'm super excited. Do you like the place?
Yeah.
So was it a good choice?
Yes. We have 2 ladies and 1 snake. The snake will be sleeping on the floor.
That's me. So yeah, I think their rooms are very affordable. That room costs 220 cedis, and the place is very serene. And the fact that it's close to Buli Waterfalls, that's one of the things. That's the reason why I like the place. So yeah, I hope you are enjoying my vlog so far. How the place looks like. It's quite a beautiful place, very green. Dinner just came. I ordered banku and tilapia, and she's having jollof and tilapia. You're already eating with her cat. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning from the Buli Heights Hotel. And this is how it looks from here. Very serene. It rained yesterday. I already mentioned that it's we're in a rainy season. We are going hiking. And of course you all are coming along. So yeah, this is how it looks like from here now. And I'm waiting for the girls. I'm always the earliest person. Like, I think I'm the only one used to like waking up early, finishing up. The rest are like doing their face, they're doing this, doing that. This is my outfit for today. And yeah, so let's go have breakfast, and yeah, that will be the end of this vlog. And in my next vlog, I'm going to share my experience with the Buli Waterfalls. I'm hoping to hike to the upper falls, so expect that in my next video. I love you. So our breakfast is ready, complimentary breakfast, and this is the girls, and they are there taking pictures. Hi Vanessa.
Hi baby.
Hi darling. So yeah, we are going to have breakfast and leave. So guys, let me know in the comment section which part of this hotel do you like. I personally like the fact that it's so green and it's very close to my final destination, which is still Vili Waterfall. So you're all invited. Let me know in the comment section which place of this hotel you like. You're all invited.
What come with that sleeping?
Vanessa didn't sleep. What happened? What went wrong?
See, my system is very terrible. If I'm outside my house, I think my body knows I'm outside. So I'll be like sleep deprived. And normally I'm like in night crawler, so I sleep very late.
I think when I find myself, I'm used to finding myself at different places and sleeping. I try to sleep. I try to sleep because I know I have a long day today.
I was having difficulty sleeping also because the good lady was on
let me
TikTok.
know in the comment section.
I wasn't on TikTok.
You were on TikTok.
I was on TikTok.
When you find yourself at a new place, can you sleep on the first night? Let me know in the comment section. Obviously, I'm going to explore Vili Waterfalls in my next video. So yeah, this is the place. Look at me. Behind me is a mountain and I'm super excited. I hope you enjoyed watching today's vlog as much as I enjoyed documenting my entire experience. Until next time, I want to say I love you. You're my favorite person. It's good to be back. It's good to be vlogging and exploring beautiful places in Ghana. I've been here several times and of course I don't mind taking you all along again and again. Until next time, I want to say I love you all. Mwah.